and look at the players that can fill that role, particular role that we are looking at. Change your planning and mindset around it, and then few changes if we had to make or need to pick someone.
रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली टी20 वर्ल्ड कप में भारतीय टीम की तरफ से ओपनिंग करते नजर आएंगे। यशस्वी जायसवाल बाहर बैठेंगे आईपीएल में अच्छा प्रदर्शन करने के बावजूद। ऐसा हम क्यों कह रहे हैं? रोहित शर्मा ने खुद हिंट दिया है प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। क्या कुछ उन्होंने कहा है वो आपको सुनाते हैं।
All the options are open. I'm going to go to West Indies and see what is right and what can be done, because the pitch is there. I don't know. We've never played in New York, so I don't know how the pitch will be there. We've played in West Indies, but again in West Indies as well, we are playing in different venues every game. So you've got to mainly first understand what the pitches will be like and what sort of combination you need based on the opposition composition as well, what kind of teams they are playing as well. But one thing we really looked at was our middle overs hitting. Our top order hitting has been all right. It is not been bad. There are options there as well, but we wanted in the middle overs someone to come and play that role where he can play freely without worrying about who's bowling and who's not. But again, there's no guarantee what our playing 11 will look like when we go there. We will see, we will analyze. We've got a couple of practice games that we'll play and see based on what the opposition comes up, what kind of combination they have. We will try and fit our playing 11 based on that. Like Ajit said rightly, we started talking about what the combination will look like, what will be our playing 11, what the pitches are in West Indies. So, you sort of make your playing 11 in your mind and, try and work around it and look at the players that can fill that role, particular role that we are looking at. So, a lot of the prep, the talk, and the guys playing games, happens during the IPL, and then plus a lot of these guys have been playing this format for a while now. So it's not like there's anyone new in this particular format. They all have been playing international cricket as well, and they've been playing IPL. So, the talk of what our 15 is going to be like started much before IPL started. It is just few spots, few individuals that we had to sort of look into during IPL, because IPL, the performances changes every day. Anyone will come and score 100, someone will get a 5 wicket, so you can't really change your planning and mindset around it. But yeah, like I said, we had clarity on what our core group is going to be like, our 70-80% of the squad, and then few changes if we had to make or need to pick someone, we were prepared for that as well.
तो यहां पर साफ तौर पर रोहित शर्मा ये कह रहे हैं कि देखिए सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हम कॉम्बिनेशन तय करेंगे, यानी कि पहले से नहीं तय है कि भाई रोहित शर्मा जायसवाल ओपनिंग करेंगे। अगर सिचुएशन रहती है तो रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली आपको ओपनिंग करते नजर आएंगे, उसी हिसाब से बाकी के कॉम्बिनेशन भी रहेंगे। अब आप क्या चाहते हैं कि रोहित शर्मा जायसवाल ओपनिंग करें या आप चाहते हैं कि रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली ओपनिंग करें? कमेंट करके अपनी राय जरूर दें। फिलहाल आपने ये वीडियो देखा, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।